Bigg Boss Season 14 is getting more interesting with each passing day, and the contestants are trying their level best to impress the audience. In the latest episode of Bigg Boss 14, the nomination task brought several new revelations and created a rift among friends. Rahul Vaidya's nepotism remark on Jaan Sanu has kept him all alone in the house. Also, Nikki Tamboli seemed confused about Jaan Kumar Sanu and told him that she will never trust him again. Kavita Kaushik is upset with the mess in the house and instructs housemates to follow the rules of the house, and those found breaking them will be punished. Shardul Pandit comes under Kavita's radar after he breaks the rule in the smoking area. Kavita asks housemates to make a pact that there will be no violence incited by anyone in the house, and those who will do it, everyone will stand in unity against that person. Everyone agrees. Nikki Tamboli pokes Rubina Dilek to clean the bedroom. Captain Kavita asks her to do her duties, but the latter says that Nikki intentionally threw tissues on the floors and was making an issue out of a petty thing. Kavita tries to sort out the difference between Nikki and Abhinav and Rubina. Then Kavita asks her to clean the room and asks Nikki to arrange her bed. In the recent episode, we saw that the contestants brought their worst in the nomination task and poured their hearts out against their enemies in the house. Most of the housemates nominated Rahul Vaidya and Nikki Tamboli. However, Rahul Vaidya nominated Rubina Dilek and Jaan Kumar Sanu. Shockingly, he said that he has nominated Jaan because he hates nepotism. The fight had gone serious on this topic, and Jaan also justified how much capable he is. He also revealed that his parents got separated when he was a child and he has been brought up by his mother. His father only supported him when he saw the talent in him. Rahul Vaidya, Aijaz Khan, Nikki Tamboli, Jaan Kumar Sanu, Pavitra Punia are nominated for the upcoming weekend. After Bigg Boss asks Kavita Kaushik to save one nominated contestant from the house, she saves Aijaz Khan. After the nomination task, Nikki Tamboli, Rahul Vaidya, Pavitra Punia and Jaan Kumar Sanu have been nominated and sent to Red Zone. After locking horns in the nomination task, will Jaan and Rahul maintain peace in Red Zone? It will be interesting to watch in the upcoming episode that who will be Nikki Tamboli's final choice.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.